Forecast.
Well, after a wet Wednesday morning, a lot drier this afternoon. Even a few locations have seen some breaks in the clouds. There is the view is looking off to the south and southwest from Scott Stadium. A little drier, certainly. But let's talk about the rain. Many of us have picked up a solid 1 to 2+ inches of rain. Our Jim Carpenter captured his little rain gauge there with nearly just over 3 inches of rainfall. So that's really since Tuesday. And now the update from the airport showing for the month of May, picking up where March and April did not deliver. We've seen our wettest month so far of the year with just over 7 inches at the airport. Again, a surplus right now of just over 3 1/4, which is all good news. Where does that stand for the year-to-date numbers? Well, we've whittled it away a little bit more. We've seen so far precipitation over 14 inches. Average would be just under 16. So we have a deficit right now at this particular location of 1 4/10 inches. So certainly some improvement. The U.S. Drought Monitor comes out tomorrow, but it won't include any of the rain that fell so far this week. That'll be in the next update. Temperatures, again, unseasonably cool. April-like readings. We only made it up to 64 for a high today. Right now, upper 50s and lower 60s. Things are quiet on Doppler radar. You still may encounter some drizzle, and certainly the concern tonight will be areas of dense fog to develop. There's the steadier rain from this morning, long gone. And again, there have been breaks in the cloud cover. So temperatures tonight in the low and mid 50s, areas of fog. Your Thursday plays out with some low clouds and fog in the morning and then some breaks of sunshine. Temperatures will be a lot more seasonable, a lot warmer, upper 70s, a few low 80s. Chance of rain's a little lower tomorrow, but a shower or thunderstorm during the afternoon, early evening, certainly possible. I think Friday's going to be our next day to watch because it does appear that we're going to have more widespread rain in the morning and then a chance for showers and thunderstorms that may go into Friday night. So we'll watch that closely. Even on Saturday, still can't rule out maybe some morning showers, but overall trending a lot less after we get past Friday. And right now, the Storm Prediction Center for Friday does have a slight to marginal risk, a 1 to 2 on the category of 1 to 5 for severe storms. Damaging wind threat the greatest. We'll continue to follow that, and that will be for Friday afternoon and Friday night. As far as additional rain, 1/2 inch, maybe over 1 inch. Of course, any storm can produce localized higher amounts of rainfall. So there's the rain from this morning, a little break. We've got a front to our south. We've got another storm out to the west, along with another front. All that spells just unsettled conditions, even though we're going to start to see temperatures start to warm back up. But you can still see that cooler air that's clearly in place. So tonight, areas of fog that'll take us into tomorrow morning. We'll start in the 50s, then some breaks in the cloud cover. Temperatures will warm on southerly winds into the upper 70s to a few low 80s. Again, a shower storm can't be ruled out tomorrow afternoon or early evening, but look what happens by early Friday morning. More widespread rain to start the day, and then likely a break, and then we'll start to heat back up, and then we'll have to watch any storms that develop or come in from the west into Friday evening, Friday night. Tonight we're in the 50s, areas of dense fog. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. A little warmer, a lot more seasonable here to close out the week, and as we look ahead toward the weekend, chance of rain will start to drop off later Saturday, a lot drier here on Sunday as we get ready to usher in the month of June. Finally, temperatures will start to warm back up, some lower 80s next week, and some welcome dry time.
All right, Eric, thank you.